It's gonna be tight. This is probably the worst part. The pins are tight, man, so you don't move.
Give me a big old bear hug.
That's right. Almost. Oh, there it is. Okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Good. So you're gonna take some nice big deep breaths in and out. Your nose there. Keep your teeth together. All right. All right. Actually, don't want to pull. All right. Yeah. Breathe in and out. Nice big deep breath. There we go. How far did you feel that?
All the way down my back.
All the way. All right, we're gonna pull these pins out. We'll go ahead and move your. Yep, there you go. Yeah, so how'd that feel? Pretty good.
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead and rest your head. One more here. Very good. Okay.